Hi guys, welcome back to TWINKLE Reading Stars. Today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and the Tip-Top Treehouse by Kimberly and James Bean. Pete the Cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. I just built a treehouse, he says. Come over to play. Pete's friends show up. This is great, say his friends, but it is a little small. You are right, says Pete. It is too small. I will fix that. Pete starts building a bigger tree house. Do you want some help? Asks Collie. Sure, says Pete. Collie carries up more wood. Can I help too? Asks Marty. Sure, says Pete. Together they build a tower for Pete's treehouse. Let's have a treehouse party, says Marty. A party, says Pete, but what will everyone do? I can help with that, says Emma. This is great, says Pete. Let's do it. Pete, Marty, Collie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They build an arcade, they fill it with fun games. They build a bowling alley, it has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool, Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theater and a skate park and a climbing wall and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley. He takes one friend to the movie theater. He takes one friend to the skate park. Pete lets one friend surf in the wave pool. Is everyone here? Asks Pete. Yeah, but we're all alone, his friends say. We came to play with each other. Oh, says Pete. Everyone meet down at the jungle gym. Everyone climbs down. This treehouse is amazing, say his friends. Thanks, says Pete. I'm so glad it brought us all together. So yeah guys, that's the end of the story. This story gives us a moral to do things together. Like we shouldn't leave each other alone. We should do everything together. Help each other, do stuff together, and just yeah. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!